moving his giant dancing feet. Birds sang songs from every tree, creating a happy melody. The elephant danced to every beat, moving his giant dancing feet. A rainbow stretched across the sky as fluffy white clouds drifted by. The elephant danced beneath the glow, swinging his trunk to and fro. Animal friends came out to play, dancing together all the day, hopping, spinning, having fun underneath the shining sun. Golden sunset filled the land, everything looked bright and grand. The elephant danced one final spin before